So I've got a few questions for you. Did you know 91% of buyers say they would use the same real estate agent again and even refer them to their family and friends? Pretty cool. But sadly, not as many clients actually use the same agent. Now, the gap is mainly due to lack of follow up, not staying in touch, or really just poor client management. But don't worry, I've got some easy tips for you to make sure your clients choose you as their go to agent for life. So, first of all, let's make sure you stay connected with your clients. Too often, agents have a closing, send a gift, let's be honest, if they remember, and then vanish. And they're not in it to win the long term business by staying in their lives. Now, think newsletters that are very intentional, matched with their interests, and maybe even invite them to an event or a party in the area. Don't forget a personal phone call. Now, to be a go to expert, all your clients are going to have questions, and you want to be able to connect them with dependable people to provide the services they need. Now, this is going to position you as the expert in the market and gives you a way to provide high level value and content to your clients. It helps you build credibility and you are their knowledgeable local expert. Now that's it. I know it sounds complicated, but guys, it really isn't. Stay in touch with your clients. Look at the relationship as a partnership for life. Call them, send them content that is specific to them, and don't forget the power of that phone call. Have a great day, and if we can help you in any way, know that we are here.